Welcome back. I have an ABUS Euro profile cylinder that I got from VDE back in May. Since I haven't had any decent dimple lock picks, this one has been lying around and I haven't worked on it that much. But I got this GoSo kit and a while back, and I thought I'd try it out. This is, I believe VDE did a video on this one as well, and this is an ABUS D10 core, similar to the ABUS EC550, but this one contains more pins. It's a 6-pin plus 4 pins on the opposite side, but these 4 pins, they are passive, they are not spring loaded, but they have to be on at the right height right here, or else you can't turn the core. But since we don't use keys, that doesn't matter. All that matters are these 6 pins right here. So we have one very deep cut, low cut, deep cut, deep cut, low cut, and a deep cut. So it's a pretty decent bitting on this. I'm gonna put it in the vise and let's start picking. See if you can break that 14-minute time. Okay, light tension, and 1 pin at a time and 1 click at a time. That'll do it. Hopefully that will do it. Six, 5, and number 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nothing. I'm going to change picks. I'm going to use this bent flag. It's going to zoom in a bit. Number 6, spongy. 5, got a slight turn on the core. 4, click. 3. Feels a bit weird. 2. What was that, number 1? Release a bit. dropped some pins, so just be methodical and do one more try. One click per pin. Yay! There we go. Wow, 6.5 minutes. So I got it open. Whew! That's a bit better than 14 minutes. So let's see now if you can get this. Maybe. That way. Okay. Let's see. What we have inside. Well, I do have a key for it, so I'm gonna lock it up. I got this from VDE back in May, and it's been a real chore. How to get inside of this one, I'm not sure. Don't want to pierce my thumb or any other finger. Ah, man. That is one tough C-clip. Here we go. Oh man, that went across the room. Okay, don't screw this up now. So we have pins on there. Put like that, maybe like, there we go. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Now there we are. Alright. One pin at a time. Here we go. Oh, we have a spool. Another spool. A spool. Standard. Okay. another standard, and the last one. Is a standard. Alright, so here we have the passive pins at the top. Oh man, now I screwed it up. Here we are. Okay, we have 4 passive top pins, and here we have the 6 active ones. Just gonna drop them out. Six. Yeah, that is what I expected. Okay, no countermilling in the core, but look at that wording. Anyway, here are the pins, and as we can see, 3 standards and 3 very tall spools, pretty shallow, and the bottom pins are arrow shaped or spool like, typical ASA style in this ABUS. And the number 2 and number 5 are very tall, so if you get the shear line, you have to push that through above the shear line, and the shear line gets stuck here. You can't get it, you have to reset. So that's the ABUS Euro dimple lock. Thanks for watching, sorry about the long video, and talk to you soon. See you later.